Today we're taking a look at the Azdome PG17 Pro, a dashcam built right into your rear view mirror. Not just a mirror, but a 4K ultra clear dashcam, touch screen display, and a smart driving assistant all in one. So buckle up, let's put the Azdome PG17 Pro to the test and see if it's the ultimate upgrade for your car. Okay, and this is what it comes inside of the box. This one is the Azdome. The model is the PG17 Pro. This is a rear mirror dashcam. Okay, it comes with the two screen protectors, wipes for cleaning, the manual, the power cable, the cigarette lighter connection, USB-C connection, cleaning cloth, the GPS with the connection. This one includes a micro SD card of 128 gigabytes. The rear camera, this is the plug for the rear camera, and it has this one for the reverse. Trim tool and clips to hide the cables. Extra double-sided tape for the rear camera. 4 straps to attach the mirror to the rear mirror from your car. And this is the rear mirror. It looks amazing. So on the front is the glass and the screen. On the back has this one to hold the mirror on the rear mirror. Has a speaker, the front camera. Let's remove that. This is the front camera. On the back, power button and some holes, I think, for the speaker. Ventilation grill and a reset hole. And on the top, let's put it like this. On the top has the USB for the power, the rear camera, a slot for the micro SD card, and the connection for the GPS. And that's everything that comes inside the box. Okay, we're ready. I already put the connections on the top, the rear camera, the GPS, and this is the one for the power, but I haven't connected yet. So let's put it in there. Let's see, it's a little bit tight, the space, because of my car, but some cars will have more space, but my car is small. So, right there, see? Oh yes, so let's remove this thing. Ooh. The first thing to do is to format the SD card. You can see it. Better there. Format the SD card, and it's ready. I have to align this one. Yeah, like that. I think that's better. Cool. Okay, now for the testing, I'm gonna put the rear camera here on the back, right here, and this one also works as a reverse camera, as a rear camera too. Okay, now it's time to put the rear camera. I'm gonna put it in here temporarily, but if you want, you can run the cable inside of these lights, run it on the inside and put it on the inside and run it to the side. But this one is just for a test, so I'm gonna put it here. Yeah, so I have to tie down the screws. And let's tie it down with this one. Now this one. Oh, maybe I need a bigger screwdriver. Ah, no, it works. Cool. So maybe like that is good. Okay, we're ready to test the camera and the rear view mirror. Okay, as you can see, the resolution is great. It looks pretty good. So if you move this one to the side, it switches the camera like this. Front and rear, rear and the front, and just the rear. Okay, that's pretty cool. And then if you click, you have the menu in the bottom, okay, in the bottom. So this one is to stop the recording and to start the recording. The next one is a screenshot. Cool, it's pretty loud. And then this one in the middle is to lock the video, but I'm not gonna do it right now. And then this one is to see the videos. You can see front standard video, locked front video, front photo, rear standard video, and rear locked video, and rear photo. All right, so you can click in here, and you will have, oof, it's pretty loud. Okay, so you can click there, and in a little bit we're gonna see how to download the videos with the app, or you can remove the SD card and put it in your computer. But for that you have to turn off the camera, this one, because if you remove the SD card while it's on, you might mess up the SD card, so you don't want to do that. Cool, let's go back. All right, now before we go to the settings, this one is to mute the audio or to record the audio, and this one is for the settings. Let's go to the settings. The first one is the resolution, 4K 30 frames per second and 2K for the rear, 4K for the front and 2K for the rear. So that's the best one, so I'm gonna keep it like that. Loop recording, 1 minute, 3 or 5 minutes. I always like to keep it in 1 minute because it will download faster. Okay, let's go back like this, back. And then video encoding, well, I just leave it in down. And then the audio, you can turn it on and off, the audio recording. The next one, the G sensor sensitivity, I'll put it in low always, because if you don't put it in low, it will, any bump, it will lock the video, and we don't want to do that. Time lapse recording is off. I'm just gonna leave it off for now. The frequency, 60 or 50 hertz, I'm gonna leave it in 60 hertz. The screensaver mode is off. You can turn off the screen if you want, so every time you turn on the car, you can put it in off so that you can use just the mirror to view to the back if you want to that, or you can put the screensaver. For now, right now it's off, so all the camera is always on for now. Touch tone, yeah, it's pretty loud. It's on, let's leave it on for now. The volume, yes, and the volume is too loud, so I'm gonna leave it just a little bit on. Yes, that's much better. The brightness, you can put it more brighter or restore to default. That's cool. The display, that's the same thing, but right now I'm just viewing the rear camera. You can change it the way you want it in here. Let's go up more. Rear camera display, mirroring, because when you're seeing to the back, you want to see flip it around, so vertical or horizontally. I'm doing it horizontal. Background, you can change the background to blue, pink, or green. Let's leave it in gray. That's good. Time display on the screen and in the video, you can turn it on and off in there. Date format, 12 hours or 24 hours. I'm gonna leave it in 12 hours. And now the date, month and day and year, that's the way we do it here in the United States, but if you want to change it, you can change it here. Time settings, you can put the date and the time in here. Okay, so it is good. Move it up a little bit. Reverse mode, full screen or full frame. I think it's full screen is fine. Fatigue, sleep, it will tell you maybe you're driving for too much time. It will say something. I'm gonna leave it off for now. And these are the voice controls. You can turn it on and off in here. And these are the voice commands for the camera. Okay, let's go back. The Wi-Fi, you can turn on and off the Wi-Fi. We're gonna do that in a little bit when we connect this to the app. Watermark is off. I just turned it off. Language, you can change it English, French, and a lot of languages in there. Format reminder, if you want the camera to remind you to format the car, but for now I'm gonna leave it like that. It has 30 days. I'm gonna leave it like that. And then format the SD card, you can do it there, but no, I'm not gonna do it right now. Cancel. Restore to factory settings, not right now. And about this one, all the information. Okay, that's cool. That's everything. It's super simple for this one. And now the next thing is to see how it connects to the app. Okay, now we're ready to test the app, and let's see how to download the videos with the app. Okay, for that you have to download the Azdome app, this one, and see it there if it focus. Okay. So this is the app you have to get to download. Then open the app. It's opening. Cool. So I already have the other one, but let's add a new one here on the plus sign. Okay, so is the mirror dashcam. This is a mirror dashcam. Everything is connected. Yes. Next. Look next. Oh, I think I have to turn on the Bluetooth too. Okay, I have to turn on the Wi-Fi in here. Let's go here, go to the Wi-Fi right here, turn it on, and the 5G is turning on, and right there is the name and the password. Okay, so let's go to the Wi-Fi. Okay. Okay, right here the PG17 Pro, and then the password. Connect. It's connecting. It says connected. So let's go to the app. Let's go back. Wi-Fi connected. Adding dashcam. Boom. PG17 Pro right here. Let's go. All right. All right, we're connected right there. Right here, we can see the front view. So on the bottom, we have to stop the recording. And in here, we have the videos right there. Takes a little bit of time. And then you can download the video if you want here. And on the bottom, it has this icon and you can download it there. But I don't want to download it right now. And that's the way how to download the videos. That's cool. Super easy. And you have the photos here, videos, and events. But because I just did it, I don't have the events. Because I just did it, we don't have a lot of events. Okay? And this one is to start and stop the recording. This one is to take a screenshot, the one on the bottom. And this one, expand my recordings. What is this? The same thing. I think my recordings are the videos that you already downloaded to the app, through the app in here. Okay? This one is to mute the audio, or turn on the audio, switch the cameras, you can see, switching front or the rear. That's cool. So that's everything for the bottom, okay? And now the settings are on the top corner. You have to stop the recording, stop, and then hit the settings. And these are all the settings we already saw on the camera, but they are the same, and you can change them in the app too. Okay, so everything is super simple. So now it's time to see the video resolution for the day and the night view coming up right now. Let's do it. Okay, now let's see the day view for the front camera. The front camera is a 4K resolution, and as you can see here, it looks pretty nice. The resolution is good. You can see the cars, you can see the license plates of the car too. That is very important while you are recording the cameras in here. So for the day view, the front camera, it is great. Okay, and now let's see the day view for the rear camera. The rear camera is a 2.5K resolution, and it looks great too. As you can see, the resolution is pretty good. The cars are super visible, everything looks clear. When the car gets closer, you can see the license plate, what kind of vehicle it is. So for the rear camera during the day, it's great too. And now is the moment of the truth. The night view. This is the front camera, it's a 4K resolution. As you can see, this one, it has night vision because everything looks clear. It looks like it's during the day, but it's at night. But as you can see, everything looks amazing. The resolution is great. You can see the cars, you can see the license plate. Also, you can see what kind of vehicle it is. So for the night view is amazing. Alright, and now this is the night view for the rear camera. Rear camera is a 2.5K resolution, and this one is great too. As you can see, it looks super clear. Even it is for the rear camera. Usually rear cameras are blurry and the glare of the cars affect a little bit, but this one, it looks super good for the night vision. So the rear camera, it is great, and I approve this camera. It looks amazing. So after testing the Azdome PG17 Pro, I've got to say it really feels like more than just a dash cam. The 4K front camera, it's clear, and the rear view is amazing too, and easy touchscreen controls that makes the driving safer and more modern. Overall, for the price and the features you're getting, I think it's a solid upgrade for anyone looking to add both safety and style to their car. If you're interested, I'll leave the link down in the description. And as always, thanks for watching, God bless you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.